I'm glad I got you hired.
Me too.
Take net wrap off for me.
Welcome to Strickland Farm.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Strickland Farms. If you're new, appreciate you clicking on the video. My name's Gingerbread Strickland. I'm the owner of Strickland Farms. We are a hay and cattle operation. It's me, my son, and my dad. It's the three of us, and I got some friends that help, some uncles. So I appreciate y'all clicking on the video. And today's video starts off delivering hay. I had to deliver 2 rolls of hay to a customer. So I delivered the hay. Dad helped me. William helped me. Then we fed my heifer herd here at the house. Checked on them. Just gave them some range pellets. Made sure everybody was looking okay. Then this morning we got up. It's Saturday. Got up at 9 o'clock at church. We had a gingerbread house thing for the kids. Our church did. They made like manger scenes from Christmas, so it was pretty cool to see that. So I'm gonna put a few clips of that in here, and then of course when we got done with that, we had to play some ping pong and foosball and air hockey. Got to do that for them. So now that that's all done, we are William is right now, I'm looking at him, he's pressure washing the pre-fruit head catch or squeeze chute, and he's gonna pressure wash the Premier rake so we can get that stuff put away. Well, I got to use the squeeze chute for to do my heifer herd. I've done my main herd, but not the heifers and the bull down there. So stick around. I'm getting some hay out of the chicken house right now. I got a customer on his way. Be here about 15 minutes, so let the tractor warm up. But I appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned for some more winter projects, I guess you'd call it. A lot of hay hauling, a lot of hay loading, cleaning up equipment, and my cows are starting to calf. I had my first calf the other day, so for this season. So stay tuned. Ought to be fun. Appreciate y'all watching. Just another day of hauling hay. Beautiful sunset. Dad's doing a great job. Trying to make you famous. All right. Well, hey, Harvey. Hey, bud. Sunshine. 20-16, 20-11. The cows is what happened. There's that bull calf that we weaned and brought down here. He don't quite know what's going on right now. He ain't like that little knucklehead. Or that big knucklehead. You big old rascal. You big old rascal. I believe you could just sit on top of this rascal and he'd just stand here. He's a big baby. All right, Harvey. All right, buddy. All right, buddy. No, another big baby? All right, let's feed him. Hey, sunshine. Get out of the bucket. Whoa, 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 whoa. Give a shoe. Catherine, what are you making?
A Christmas tree. Or at least trying.
No, what is like this right here?
Manger.
A manger? William, let me see. What are you making?
There's the 2 cows, and then now I'm putting red sprinkles.
Where's the tractor?
I haven't made one yet. I'm going to put it back there.
Okay. You know, they had a tractor back. Joseph probably had a tractor.
Yeah, in your dreams.
There's
There's the hay.
That's hay.
Stop putting the bundle of hay.
A patty of hay.
Patty of hay.
There's Joseph.
Good job, Chris.
Oh! I saved it!
Good job, Christopher. Oh. Oh. Coming in hot.
We were playing off the thingy wheels.
Oh, Jacob. everybody. William has hopped in the tractor with me because he ran out of gas in the pressure washer. So we're getting the hay out of the chicken house. So when the customer gets here, it won't take as long.